Good day. We are on the next topic, which is the operations of functions. So, we will apply the basic operations in our functions. Let's review first what are those basic four operations. We have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the four basic operations na we use every single day. And then let's proceed to the example. In this example, we have two functions given, which are the f of x and g of x. The value of our f of x is equal to 3x plus 1, and then the value of our g of x is equal to 4x squared minus 8. Now let's try to solve this one. If these two functions add together, subtract together, multiply or divide, let's try to solve this one and learn how to process. So let's do first the addition. Okay, now let's continue to the addition. So the given natin earlier is f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Then the g of x is equal to 4x squared minus 8. So for the addition, this is the how to write, if it is addition, you can write this as f of x plus g of x, or the quantity of f plus g of x. So that is also addition. So now let's try to solve. First, you need to add the value of the f of x, which is the 3x plus 1, and the g of x, which is the 4x squared minus 8. Just add lang the same form kung sino yung nauna, who is the first, f of x. So write it down first, f of x, that is 3x plus 1, and then add to the g of x, which is the 4x squared minus 8. And then combine like terms. As you observe, si 4x squared, it doesn't have like terms, so just bring down. And then also for the 3x, and but for the constant number, we have 1 and negative 8. That's it for that is equivalent to 1 minus 8. So therefore, the 1 minus 8 will become 7. So you have now your new, or the addition of f of x and g of x. You have 4x squared plus 3x minus 7. So that is your final answer. And then let's proceed to the subtraction. So the form of the subtraction is g of x minus f of x. It depends sa given or the ask, what is asked in subtraction. So here we are asked to find g of x minus f of x, or g minus f of x. So first, rewrite it just like this one. Rewrite this one as g of x minus f of x, and then as you observe, naguna or first natin nilagay si g of x, which is the 4x squared minus 8 minus the 3x plus 1. Okay, after that one, you will not like the addition, you directly go to the combining like terms. But here in subtraction, first distribute the negative sign, the minus sign, just distribute, multiply it to its corresponding value sa iyang gilid. So how to distribute this one? Just multiply negative to this place. So you have now negative times 3x and negative times 1x. So you have now 4x squared, no, coming from here, bring down lang, and then negative 8 also bring down lang, and then negative 3 times negative 3x, you have negative 3x, so this one, and then negative times 1, you have negative 1, so this one. Okay, after that one, you can now combine like terms. So since 4x squared, it doesn't have the same like terms, no? Isa lang ang may exponent na 2 dyan. Na with coefficient of x. So bring down. And then also si negative 3, just bring down because it doesn't have like term. And then the negative 8 and negative 1 will be add together. It will become negative 9. So therefore, our answer in this problem is 4x squared minus 3x minus 9. So now let's proceed to the multiplication. So for the given, we have f of x times g of x. And first, you need to write this first, no? I-write natin yan into this one. So we have f of x times g of x is equal to the value of f of x times the value of g of x. So we have 3x plus 1 multiplied to 4x squared minus 8. Okay? And after that one, you need to use the FOIL method in order to process this or multiply this kind of terms. So now let's try to solve. We have first FOIL method. We have the first multiply 3x times 4x squared. We have 3 times 4, we have 12. Then x times x squared, we have x cubed. So we have 12x cubed. And the next one is 3x times negative 8. So negative 8 times 3, you have negative 24, and then bring down the x because walay x, our 8 don't carry x man. So just the coefficient, no? Just multiply the coefficient. So next is after you multiply this one, you need to multiply again the 1. So multiply it to the 4x squared. You have now 4x squared because it is just 1. And then also 1 times negative 8 is negative 8. So therefore, you have now 12x cubed minus 24x plus 4x squared minus 8. Then, as you observe, it doesn't have like terms, no? Each of them doesn't have like terms, so you just need to arrange this one in order from the highest exponent to the lowest exponent. So this will be our final answer. 12x cubed plus 4x squared minus 24x minus 8. Okay? So now let's proceed to the division. So we have this problem, g of x over f of x, and it is equal to the 4x squared minus 8 over 3x plus 1. 4x squared minus 8 over 3x plus 1. So how to solve this one, sir? So just simplify. If this term, no, we cannot simplify this one already because this is the simplified form. So this will be our final answer. So you don't need to solve the na because it is the simplified form. So what if our problem is not simplified form? So let's have an example for that, for the division. For example, you have given, no, the value of your f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 2x, and then the g of x is equal to 2x squared, and then you need to find the division of f of x over g of x. So how do we solve this one? So just rewrite again, no? Follow the process lang. And then we will have this one. So our f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 2x. Our f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 2x, and then the denominator g of x is equal to 2x squared. So this will be our term now, 4x squared plus 2x over 2x squared. So how to simplify this one, or how to solve this one, sir? Just simplify, no? Extract the common of the denominator and numerator, and then cancel out. So in this problem, as you observe, the numerator has a factor of, or common of 2x, no? So you have this one. Our numerator has a common of 2x, and then we will extract 2x. So this will, no, our 2x na extract from this numerator. So we extract the common, ilagay natin na sa labas, and then divide it to the original term, which is the 4x. So you have now, no, 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and then x squared divided by x become x. So yan na ang ilalagay natin sa loob. This one will become 2x because we extract the 2x naman already. And then for this one, 2x divided by 2x, it will become 1. No? So we extract 2x, and then this is our new, from this one, it will become 2x plus 1. So if you want to make sure that this extraction, or getting the common, or getting the factor is correct, just reverse the process and you will get this one. So let's reverse. 2x times 2x, multiply lang, kaya nag-divide ta ganina. 2x plus 2x, 2x times 2x, you have 4x squared, and then 2x times 1, you have 2x, no? We will go back, no, if we multiply this one. Okay, so therefore our getting the common is correct. So after that one, process also the denominator, get the common, you have also the 2x, no? You'll factor the 2x. So we will now just cancel the 2, and then cancel the x, and then the remaining will be our final answer. If you don't have to cancel na, that is our final answer. So therefore, our answer for this one, for this problem, is f of x over g of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x.